Hello everyone. In this video we'll be discussing on binary search technique. Actually there are two searching techniques out there. First one is linear search technique and the second one is binary search technique. So we are discussing about binary search technique. So very first we need to understand here that searching technique we apply for searching for a particular element. Okay. So in binary search technique we need very first there should be one rule to be followed. The rule is uh, the elements must be in sorted order. I mean to say that elements must be in ascending order or descending order. If the elements are not in ascending or descending order, then it is not possible to search the element by using which technique? Binary search technique. Linear search technique is that there we can search the element either sorted order or unsorted order. But for binary search technique, we must see that the elements must be in sorted order, which means nothing but ascending or descending order. In binary search technique, there is one formula to be remembered. The formula is mid equals to low plus high by 2. So, three names you remember here: mid, low, high. Okay, in order to find the mid one, we need to calculate one formula: low plus high by 2. What is this low, what is this high, I will be explaining. Okay, so let me shift my focus to the coming part. So here I have taken the elements example. So just observe here, elements are arranged in ascending or descending order, but in this example I am taking in ascending order. Okay, so now very first let us start with the element to be searched. What is the element to be searched here? 23. 23 is the element to be searched among the elements arranged here. Okay, this is the array we are taking. In this array elements are there, and out of these elements the element 23 is that we need to search for. Okay, so look at 23 somewhere here. So let me get back to, or let me remind you the formula what I have told you. Mid equals to low plus high by 2. So 0 initially the 0 index will be considered as low. Here L means low, H means high, M means mid. You just adjust with that. Why? Because here for the diagram I am taking L, M, H instead of low, high, mid. Okay, very first initial array is this. This one I am considering is low. This one I am considering as high. And do remember here low and high are talking about the indexes here. Index 0, index 9. Low is index 0, high is index 9. Now I have to find out the mid. So for this here what we are doing, low plus high by 2, which is nothing but 0 plus 9 by 2. 0 plus 9 by 2, what is the value we are going to get here? 0 plus 9 by 2. 0 plus 9 by 2 is not 4.5. Okay, just take it as only integer number 4. Okay, so 4 is the mid. So out of these indexes we got the mid value, mid index as 4. Now I am looking for what is the element to be searched here? 23. 23 is located in which area? I mean to say 16 is the mid element, index is 4. In the mid index the element available is 16. Now you are looking for 23, right? Is 23 is above 16 or below 16? I mean to say, is 23 available in the first half of this box or second half of this box? Mid we are finding to separate the array into two parts. Do remember here we have taken the mid index, we found the mid index to separate our array into two parts. Now you are looking for whether your element is in first half or second half. Obviously 23. 23 in which half? Second half. It means that what you are trying to do now, you need to look for the element only in this area. You can ignore this entire first half. Why? Because you are very much sure that 23 is not in first half. Okay, now what happens here is again in this part from 23 to 91, 23 to 91, if I am talking about the index 5 to 9, in this area again we have to find out the same formula. What is the formula we have to apply? Low plus high by 2. For that, what just look at this area. H is available but L is not available. So what is the L value we have to calculate it? If your searched element is in second half, low should be incremented as mid plus 1. Low should be incremented as mid plus 1. If your available element is in first half, just observe here, low is there, but high is not there. High can be considered as mid minus 1. This could be high. Why? Because again I have to partition this element. But for the given example, the element is available in the second half. So I am finding it out in this second half. What you are able to see, H is available, but L is not available. Why you are looking for L here? You have to find out the formula. Again, what is the formula? Low plus high by 2. So L plus high by 2. But here L is not available. So you are sure that this array is you are trying to look for. L is nothing but mid plus 1. Now again you will find out the formula. Low plus high by 2. What is the L value? 5. 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 by 2 how much? 7. Now you got the new mid element. Now you just observe here, the element what you are trying to search is 23. Now compared to the middle index element, middle index is 7, its element is 56. Now 23 is available in this area, or in this area, right? Now you have to look for only this area to look for what is the element to be searched. Why? Because obviously the greater elements above the mid element is 70 to 91. 23 cannot be in second half, it should be in first half. Now you are looking for here, again the same thing you need to do. Low equals to mid plus high by 2. Again you keep on applying the same formula, low plus high by 2, until you find the element. Now I will be talking about the example also I will be taking. There also I will explain how it works. Okay, let me start with the code. Hash include stdio.h main. So here let me take out one array with size 10. Array with size 10 I am taking. It means that array with indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I is needed. Okay, and low, mid, high, these are the variables I am using. Okay, after that n also I am taking. Very first printf enter n. Okay, scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. So n is n number of elements. Now I am writing the code for entering the elements into an array. Printf enter array elements. And do remember here, the input what we are giving must be in sorted order. Elements must be in ascending order or descending order. Now for reading the elements into an array, we need for loop. For I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Scanf percentage d comma ampersand a of I. So elements reading is done. Now low, mid, high are there. Na? So low I am taking. Okay, low as 0, as per the diagram, 0 index is low, high index is nothing but n minus 1. Array size last index is n minus 1, array size minus 1. Okay, n minus 1. So this is the logic, low, high you need it. Now what you need to apply? You need to apply the logic like mid equals to low plus high by 2. This is the logic you need to apply. But you observe in the diagram here, the same logic is being applied repeatedly. Okay, that's why I'm taking one while loop here. While low is less than or equals to high. Until low less than or equals to high, you keep on working, keep on dividing the array into parts. Okay, like divide the first array into two halves. Just check out the element what you need to search is in first half or second half. If it is in second half, then ignore the first half and just again calculate the mid element of second half. Keep the same thing. Here one thing I have missed. The thing what I have missed is key element is needed. Key element here in the sense the element to be searched. Printf enter key element. Okay. Now scanf percentage d comma ampersand key. Now after finding the mid index, now you are applying three formulas. You are looking for whether your required element is in first half or second half or equal to mid element. If if your array element, okay, a of mid, okay, your index, or you can take like this, if your key element is less than a of mid, in the sense first half. In first half, as per the diagram, you just observe here, as per the diagram also, after finding the mid element, just you are looking for element is in first half or second half. If it is second half, what you are looking for, low equals to mid plus 1. If it is in first half, if it is in first half, it means high equals to mid minus 1. That is the only formula you need to apply. If you remember that, then everything is fine for you. Now let me get back this. If key element is less than a of mid, just high is needed at that place. High equals to mid minus 1. Else if key is greater than a of mid, you are looking for second half. In second half, you observe here in the diagram also, here, if it is in the second half, high is there, but which is not there, low equals to mid plus 1. That is what I am going to write. Okay, low equals to mid plus 1. Look here, if it is in first half, what you are trying to do? If it is in first half, if your element is in first half, low is there, this you don't have high is nothing but mid minus 1. For suppose your looking element is in second half, high is there but low is not there, which is nothing but mid plus 1. That is what I am trying to do here. Okay, if your key element is less than a of mid element, then high is needed first half, na, high mid minus 1. If element is in second half, high is there but low is not there, that's why mid plus 1. Otherwise, else it means that mid element is the required element. Okay, at that time you need to take one variable x plus plus and you can put the break, means that element is the searched element. That's why. Okay, here you can take one more variable x which is initialized with 0. Okay, so now after completion of loop, what you can do is, if that x equals to 0, x is not at all changing, it means that element is not there, element not found. Else printf element found. That is what you need to write. Okay, so here instead of else I have written something else. Okay, now let me execute the code. It is asking for n, so let me take out 10. It means totally 10 elements. And do remember here, elements must be in sorted order: 10, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99 and 102. Look at how many elements: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So then 10 elements I have given. Okay, first element will be in 0 index, last element in this n minus 1. So 10 minus 1, ninth index. 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9 by 2 is nothing but 4. Like that. Okay, so key element. Which element shall we search here? Okay, let me search 33. So element is found. And I am executing this code one more time. Enter n. This time also I am entering n value as 10. Okay, I am entering the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the elements I have entered. I am entering the element to be searched as 14. Out of these 10 elements, I am looking for 14 is available or not. What is the output I got? It element not found. Why? Because element is not there. Na? That's the message I am getting. For here, what I have done, you just observe. I have taken n value. After that, I have read n number of elements into an array. After reading the elements, I have written the step for the element which you want to search. Okay, from up to there, the code is common. From here, the binary search technique starts. This is the only logic for binary search technique. Okay, so you are looking for, you are finding the mid index. You are checking your required element is in first half or second half. If it is in first half, again you are trying to calculate. I am coming back to the PPT here. If it is in first half, low is there, high is not there. Why you are looking for high here is, again you have to apply the formula low plus high by 2, 0 plus 3 by 2. 0 plus 3 by 2 is nothing but 1. Again between these two you are going to check. If it is in second of the case, 5 plus 9 by 2, 5 plus 9 is 14 by 2, 7. Again here from here half, 5 plus 7, what is that? 5 plus 7, 14, 14 by 2, what is that? 5 plus 7, sorry, 12, 12 by 2, 6. Here the we have got, sorry, 7 plus 5, 12. Okay, that is how we are trying to find out the indexes. Okay, the partition will be done continuously until we find our required element. Okay, just take down array, find the mid index, check whether it is in first half. If it is first half, just concentrate on first half. If it is in second half, just concentrate on second half. If it is in first half, again go for the formula low plus high by 2. Low plus high, high is not there now, mid minus 1. Okay, if it is in second half, go for the second half and again apply the formula low plus high by 2. But in second half there is no formula low, there is no variable called low, value called low is nothing but now mid plus 1. Again after finding, then low plus high by 2, again find the mid and do the same process until you find the element. If your element is in first half, just concentrate on only half. With this what happens now, at each time you are removing, excluding half of the elements in an array to be searched, so that the searching process becomes easy. Okay, so I'm coming back to the coding part. I'm showing you how I have written the binary search technique. N value read, n number of elements read, key element, and very first setting of the low and high I have done 0. First index is the low, last index is the high. So I'm finding the mid index. I'm checking now the required element is in first half or second half. If it is first half, this is the formula to be applied. If in the second half, this is the formula to be applied. Otherwise you will be finding the elements. The search is to be done repeatedly. So I have taken one flag as x variable. If it is incremented, it means the element is there, otherwise element is not there. Okay, so this is about binary search technique. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you.